Welcome to Countdown Mode. We're starting off with Pendulum today and we're starting with Halo. So follow along. The first move we're going to be doing is a little cross arm step out when the beat kicks in. Go! Keep going! Next, we're going to be doing some squat kicks. Kick back. Get your halos up. Push it back. Halos. Breathe. Okay, with those little cross steps again. Squat kicks are coming up next. Keep going! Your legs should be burning right now. If not, squat lower. You did such a good job. Keep going. Great job. Here comes part two. Welcome back to part two. This one's a sweaty one, so we're going to get started with those squat punches. Let's go. This one's definitely more of a sweaty one than the last one, so just make sure to keep breathing and just do what you can. You've got this. We're reaching up and bringing it across. That's putting the tickets in your pocket. The download tickets in the pocket. We're going to start with some star jumps next. Ready? 1, 2, reach and cross. Reach, reach. Keep it going. We're going back into those squat punches. Get as low as you can in those squats. Just whatever feels comfortable. And if it doesn't feel comfortable, you know it's working. And we're going to go back to those side hops again. Put all those download essentials in your pocket. Hot noodles, room mat, electrolytes, battery cider, tent in your pocket. Now we're going to go back and take star jumps in a second. Keep it going. Again, I say it all the time, remember to breathe. We're going back to those squat punches again. You're doing such a good job. Thank you. Keep it going, Bessie. My legs are definitely feeling a little bit tingly, like a bit of a burn going on. We've got more of those side hops coming again. Give us a like if you're excited to see Pendulum at Download. Woo! And sing along. Got a bit of a breather coming up. We're going to reach. Catch your breath. Inhale. We've got those star jumps coming back. And those squat punches are coming back again. And if we're going to take it to the end. You've done such a good job. That one was definitely tough. But we played it. Ready for part 3. Ready for everything. And part 3, we've got Witchcraft. So get ready. You've made it to the last part of our Pendulum Count Download special, so follow along. It's in your eyes, a colour fade out. Looks like if you need a little chair or something to help you balance, then go for it. We haven't got our boots on today, so it's a lot easier to balance. Keep going. Does it feel like a head to lean on? A snapshot from where you were born. I'm looking for your hand. Get ready, because we've got some runs in a second. We're going to kick those feet back and kick our booty. Run! And the next bit will show you how to do it. One more. You're going to be squatting down next. We're going to swing those arms in a second. We're going to go back into those runs again in a second. Get ready for those squats. Those legs should be burning. Why not? Get ready for those arm swings. Inhale, exhale. Ready to breathe. And squat. You're going to do this right until the end. Well done, you've done so well. Thank you so much for joining us in our first countdown load workout. For the next 5 weeks up until Download Festival, we're going to do 5 different bands on the lineup, 5 different workouts, and we'll catch you every week until download. So make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss one of those countdown load uploads. See you next time. Bye.